Hey guys, my name is Kenny. I'm going to show you guys how you can achieve the Tom Holland hairstyle. And it's also very similar to Steve Gold's hairstyle. So the first and most obvious thing you need to do is grow out your hair. At the very least, your hair needs to be 4 inches. But ideally you want your hair to be 6 or more inches. You're going to start by wetting your hair. You want to pat it dry to the point where it's no longer dripping. So I'm going to start with Argan Oil and I'm going to spread it all around. If your hair is very straight, using sea salt spray should help. This should give you that extra texture you're looking for. I have enough waves on the sides of my head, so I'm just going to use it on the back. I'm going to start by blow drying with a comb. Again, if your hair is straight, you don't need a comb. You should blow dry while scrunching your hair. Using sea salt spray along with scrunching your hair should give you some waves. Blow dry your hair back and then to the sides. Find the place where it parts naturally and let it fall. On Tom Holland's head, you can see exactly where his hair parts. Before letting my hair dry completely, I add a little bit of the Forte styling cream. This can be used as a pre-styler or as a post-styler. I like to use a little bit as a pre-styler and then add more if I need to. Next, I'm going to add a diffuser to my blow dryer. I use this while scrunching the back of my hair. This will help to give me some extra waves and curls. After blow drying, just finish styling it the way you want it. Again, Tom Holland's hair parts in a certain area and then goes to the sides. This is almost the exact area where his hair parts. If you have any flyaways or hair sticking out, you can add more of the styling cream to help put it in place. This is what my hair looks like a few hours after styling it. Again, Tom Holland's hairstyle has a lot of waves and texture. A good sea salt spray should help give you some texture, and a light cream like the styling cream should help keep it in place without making it too hard. I didn't use much and I can still run my hands through my hair. If you have your own hair products, you should try this hairstyle out. If you want to use the exact products that I use, I'm going to leave links to all of them below. Again, my name is Kenny. Like this video if I helped you out, and subscribe for more videos just like this.